Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So what we have here again is a battery in a charge controller and goes to the switch. It's actually a solar connection. So I've tried to connect a solar panel at the roof, and that solar panel produces 100 watts of electricity, goes down into here, the charge controller. Then the charge controller, okay, let me just adjust it. CDR key goes back into the battery, which recharges the battery for like 8 hours to fully charge all of this. The battery's rating is 65 amp hour, which means yeah, it can deliver for like 60 amps within 1 hour. If you discharge 60 amps with it, it will last only for 1 hour. That's the battery capacity means. And here's the box that I bought, which was the charge controller. It's only rated for like 10 amperes, I think. 10 amperes, 50 volts. In my load, we have switches. The lights. So it's one of my light LED. So I turn it off and turn it on, turn off and turn on using the switch. And also this switch one goes to the outside of the light. See it, but this thing is, it should be always on since it's connected to my router that provides Wi-Fi. That's it. Okay, let's check for the router. So how did I actually do it? The battery produces for like 13 point something volts. Then I need basically a constant 12 volts for the router, as you can see here in the adapter. Yeah. Ooh, hey. It's really, it's blurry, but it's 12 volt at 1000 milliamps. That's equivalent to 12 watts. And this voltage regulates the voltage from 13 volts down to constant 12 volts. That's why it's really necessary to put this thing up to, you know, avoid damage to this router. It's working really well for like, I don't know, it's been a week. Yeah, it's been a week for. I just use UTP cables for that. It's really small. Goes back to here. Goes back to the lamp LED. It goes to that one. Down to the switches. Yeah, this is 3 switches. This is from the inside of the room. This one's the outside. This one's for the Wi-Fi. Okay. And the last one is this. It's a cockroach. What are you doing, man? Oh yeah. Done. Thank you.